If you're tridoshic in nature, or if your skin is just feeling really healthy and balanced currently, Pavani Ayurveda's Tridoshic Skincare Ritual could be an excellent ritual to incorporate into your day so you start to learn more about how to care for your skin through the Ayurvedic perspective. What comes in the Tridoshic Skincare Ritual, you might be wondering? Well, you get the Tridoshic Cleanser and Mask. I love this product. It's actually a two-in-one product. You can use this daily as your facial cleanser, and you can also use it weekly as a facial mask. And then step 2 in the Ayurvedic skincare ritual is the Tridoshic Toner. I love this Tridoshic Toner. It smells amazing. It has rose, lavender, and calendula in here, and it's just a nice way to balance and even out the skin tone. And it will also help with the cleansing process. Step 3 is our Tridoshic Facial Serum. Ayurveda loves oil, so this is a plant-based blend of oils, and you apply this to the skin to just help keep the skin supple, smooth, and healthy. And the Tridoshic Skincare Ritual also comes with a 2-ounce floral water, and you can pair that with your Tridoshic serum. And you can also use the floral water with your Tridoshic cleanser and mask. So I love that this comes with the ritual. Also really cool is this little tips for radiant Tridoshic skin. So it gives you some Ayurvedic tips and recommendations on how to maintain the health and integrity of your skin.